Enchanté. Hello everyone and welcome to Darmaine Stay, where we talk travel, lifestyle and how I fund them. What did I say? The Marriott resort is beautiful. Waking up every morning to this view, it really feels like paradise. So we thought, hey, why not spend a full day in paradise with nothing planned and we'll just see how the day goes. All of my close friends know this. I am a planner. For every trip, every day has a planned itinerary and I just have to know what I want to do. But today, it's all about letting go. It's all about just relaxing and seeing how things go. So come and join me in a day at the resort. And of course, let's start with a relaxing massage. Just finished our massage. How was yours, baby?
It was really good, thanks. I feel so much more relaxed.
Yes, I do too. So after that awesome and relaxing massage, we're just heading out to breakfast now. So all of these are included in our room. So yes, we are living the life.
Where are we off to?
We are going to where? Oh, the kayaking and parasailing. No, not parasailing. Paddleboarding. We're going kayaking, paddleboarding and snorkeling, and I can't swim, so let's see how that goes.
Tune in to see how it goes.
This deep. Voila! Are you excited to get to paddleboard and kayak?
Yeah, I get to kayak without a camera or any other equipment. It's just me and the paddles and my lovely partner, darmaine. You're so impatient.
It's like not doing anything. I'm gonna use my hands. That was fun.
That was good, babe.
Paddleboarding, kayaking, and practicing how to snorkel. They were laughing at me because I was snorkeling.
I think you did a better job than me though.
I think it's that way.
Yeah.
Oops. Yes, so it's on the list of things I thought I would never do. And I paddleboarded and it was actually more fun than expected. I couldn't stand up still though. And I couldn't go in deep water.
Well, we kayaked, okay?
Oh, kayaking was fun because you were there and I felt safe. Ooh. On our day of doing nothing, we've done
Massage at 9 AM.
water sports,
A full breakfast. Buffet breakfast with chef's omelets.
paddleboarding, kayaking, and snorkeling with no reefs.
Yeah, like knee deep, waist deep. And now we're at the Swim Up Cocktail Lounge, ready to have a drink.
So it's for nothing. Well, it's not really nothing. Today, Rob and I really spent some quality time together. This is our first time traveling, and yes, nothing is ever perfect. But in this time that we spent together out of our comfort zones, we learned so much about each other. And if there's anything this Fiji trip taught me about my partner, is that when I feel like I have screwed up the most, he'll be by my side to fix it and help me move forward from it.
Es mejor que no vuelva aunque mi corazón te prefiere. Vivo ahogando mi pena en los labios de otras mujeres. Si mañana pasa por tu mente llamarme, es obvio no voy a contestar. yo sé que eso está mal y me cuesta aceptarlo, pero lastimas, me lastimas. Y es la verdad.
What are you thinking about?
Huh?
What are you thinking about?
Just how good today was.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, the weather and everything was perfect, and I don't know. This is really good.
Yeah.
What about you?
It was good. Lots of food. I'm sick of chips though.
Who else needs to order chips?
I thought it was special spicy chips or something like that though.
It's just potato.
No, it's potatoes and oil.
You even had to season it with salt.
That's why I was like, he just brought it out. If there's no mayo or like sauce, like it's just a waste of money.
Well, hopefully they have a different dinner menu, because that's where we'll be going.
Oh.
No. I'm just like,
Welcome to darmaine, sorry.
No.
Oh, good guy.
don't try now.
Where I'm going, everyone! Es la verdad. Vivir la verdad. Me cuesta aceptarlo, pero tu amor me lastima.
I've got time on my hands, but you've got so many plans.
The next day, we woke up really early for sunrise, and I mean, just look at this. It was so worth it. And that is our day at Marriott Resort. There are so many things to do, even if you plan on doing nothing. It's a beautiful resort, it's the perfect escapade, and it literally feels like paradise.
Name and I know I can't fight the sound. I hit solid.
So to everyone at Fiji Marriott Resorts, Vinaka.